Good day, favorites. Welcome back to another episode of your favorite tutor, and today is your favorite tutor on physics. All right, still on that units, quantities and units. We have a question on the board. We are going to solve this question using what previous knowledge. Okay, it says the derived unit of pressure can be expressed as A kilogram meter per second square, B kilogram per meter per second square, C kilogram per meter square per second square, D kilogram per meter square seconds square. It is an what SSC question. Certificate examination question. So therefore we say solution for pressure. Solution, pressure. Pressure is what? Force over what? Area. So we are going to bring them out one after the other. Force. Force is what? Mass. That is what? Acceleration. So this is for what? Force. And area. Area is what? Length times what? Breadth. The same thing as what? Length also. Okay. So therefore, force is also equals to what? Mass. This acceleration is what? Velocity, change in velocity over what? Time. So I can still break this velocity. So force is also mass times velocity is what? Displacement over time. Displacement, extent of space, still means what? Length over what? Time. For what? Velocity, then what? Time also. That is what? Time. So therefore for force, what do we have for force? We have mass, length over what? Time square. Mass, length over what? Time what? Square. So, but we know that what? Pressure. Let me start here. Pressure is what? Force over what? Area. So we have what? Pressure equals to what? Force divided by what? Area. The pressure, the force. This is the force. We have what? Break it down to the what? To the simplest fundamental unit over what? Time raised to the power of 2 divided by what? Area. Area is what? Length times length, which is what? Length square. Length square. So therefore the pressure is equals to, we change this sign to what? Multiplication. Mass length over time square times 1 over what? Length square. We change towards multiplication. The divider will take the what? Inverse. So therefore, what we have here, you can see that we have length here, length here 1. We cancel out. So what do we have right here? We have what? Mass all over. Remember, this length is raised to the power of 2. That's length times what? Time raised to the power of what? 2. All right, this is the simplest fundamental what? Quantity for what? Pressure. Now let us bring out the unit. Bring out the unit. We know that mass is what? Kilogram. Length is what? Meter. And time is in what? Seconds. That's the standard unit for the quantities. So therefore, we say that what? Pressure is equals to what? Mass. Mass is what? Kilogram. All over what? Length. Length is in what? Meter. And time is in what? Seconds. So seconds. So the seconds what? Square. So therefore, the derived units is going to be kilogram per meter per seconds square. So, all right, the answer is what? B. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this episode. like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your favorite tutor. Thank you, and God bless you. And don't forget, we are still taking questions.